This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101. One of the things that we want to talk about is the risk that happens to people who are in business, and one of them is that your own employees or trusted people steal from you. And one of the starters to this chapter is talking about the Alanis Morrissette, the singer, had a fairly successful solo career, and I guess had to be pretty successful if she had $6.5 million stolen from her. I thought one of the ironies of this is the IRS said, well, if you got $6.5 million without it going through payroll, then you owe us $1.7 million in income tax. I wonder if they've collected any of that, but of course, I'm sure the Alanis Morrissette would like to get the money back. But in many of these cases, of course, it is a difficult situation. A lot of times these people gamble the money or in some other way fritter the money away. And it says he'll be serving 4 to 6 years in jail. I don't think anybody on this call is aware of this, but when I was in Philadelphia, I was very involved with the entertainment community and was doing a weekly radio program on the entertainment scene in Philadelphia for public radio. While I was doing the radio program, a number of performers came to me and said, you don't do drugs, do you? And that was true. I've never done drugs. And this was some time ago in the period they called sex, drugs, and rock and roll. And so I ended up with a very active music management business where I worked with a number of folk singers and rock bands and so forth, because they were looking for somebody who would take the money. And the way it's normally handled is the group's manager or the singer's manager is paid by the venue, and then the manager takes a percentage of that, usually 10 to 20%, and gives the rest of the money, at least that's the plan, gives the rest of the money to the performer. And a number of people that I worked with in Philadelphia had the sad experience, not the same dollar amount, but similar situation, Alanis Morrissette, where the manager got the money and didn't give it all to the performer. Took most of it, if not all of it. And so that was how I ended up in that business. And I did that for about 2.5 years. And then was given the opportunity to attend a major MBA program and decided to turn the business over to others and to work on my MBA. So that's how I ended up getting out of the business.